Lotus and Focus red food.
What's coming? Let's prepare the tea. The chocolate is prepared and some lemon. Today you haven't got any. I'm going to buy some lemon. Don't touch the chocolate. No, I don't want to touch the chocolate. I promise you. You won't touch the chocolate, will you? No, I don't want to touch the chocolate. See you in a minute. Goodbye.
Lotus, see one of the cherry and see the chocolate.
Chocolate on the plate, chocolate on the plate. Yummy, 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 chocolate on the plate. This is for us. This is for Focus. This is for me, and this is for nobody. I start today. This is for us. This is for Focus. This is for me, and this is for nobody. This is for nobody, so why you think? Yummy! This is for us. This is for Focus. This is for me. This is for me. So why you think? Delicious. This is for one and two. This is too big. I'll take a piece. Delicious. And now this is too big. So I take a piece. Yummy. Now the two are very small. So I eat it. Delicious. Chocolate in my tummy. Chocolate in my tummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Chocolate in my tummy. I have a stomach ache. Hello, Lotus. I've got the lemonade. Oh dear, what's wrong with you? I have a blame. Where? Here in my tummy. Poor Lotus, you are ill. You must go to bed. Come with me. There is that better. No, I want a blanket. There is that better. No, I want a pillow. Is that better? No, I want my teddy bear. Is that better? Yes, thank you. You are staying in bed now. I'm going to phone the doctor. The doctor? Yes, because you are ill. 3, 4, 6, 5, 2, 3. Yes, hello, doctor. This is Focus. Lotus is ill. She has a stomach ache. Yes, she's in bed now. What's that? An injection? Okay, if you have to. Thank you. Bye-bye. The doctor said you have to have an injection. An injection? I don't want an injection. I feel much better now. But you have to wait till the doctor. No, I don't want an injection. Please, I don't want an injection. Come on, try it.
Just that moment will come the right.
There's the doctor. No, I don't want the injection, please. Right, it's you.
Hello, good afternoon.
I'm sorry, but Lotus is ill.
Is ill? I come tomorrow. This is a present is for Lotus.
Oh, thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. It wasn't the doctor. It was Focus. It was right. And this present is for you. A present for you? What is a puzzle? A book? Chocolate? No!
It was nice. Do you like it? One applause. And now I thought you don't like 9. You, what's your name? Aisha. Aisha, what class is this? 9. Very good. You, what is your name? Maya, what class is this? 9. Now we are going to sing the chocolate song. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, 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 brown or white. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, anytime, day or night. Sweet to eat, just give it to touch. You will see if you eat too much. Now everybody. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, 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 brown or white. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, anytime, day or night. Sweet to eat, sticky to touch. You will see if you eat too much. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, 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 brown or white. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, anytime, day or night. Sweet to eat, sticky to touch. You will see if you eat too much. You will see if you eat too much.
Wow, fantastic. Are you ready to play chocolate boss game with Maro and Nano? Eki? Perfect. Give it big hand.
I am Nash. Hello, I am Nash. This is Eki and this is Marwa. Now we are going to play chocolate blocks. But first, we are going to revise the colors and numbers. Okay, I am going to revise them. Okay. You, what's your name? What is this color? Very good. Okay. You, what's your name? Okay. What is color? Brown. Okay. You, what's your name? Nico. Nico, what's this color? Yellow. Okay. You, what's your name? Light. What color is this? Very good. Okay, finally, what's your name? Glass. What is this color? Very Nora. Okay, now we are going to revise the numbers. You, what's your name? Anya. Anya, what number is this? 10. Very good. Sit in our circle, please. In a circle. Zebra. Grass. To play this game, first I'm going to touch two persons at the same two people at the same time. Saying chocolate, chocolate, like this. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate.
Then I want to say balls, and the two people that take it touch, they want to stand up.
Okay, now we want to start. Okay? You have to say chocolate, 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 chocolate,
Balls.
You.
What's your name?
Okay.
What's your name?
Okay, stand up, please. This table, with that numbers, that place is yours. Okay, you have to give me two blues and two reds. Not this in my hand.
Yes, excellent. It's correct. It's not acceptable.
Chocolate, 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 chocolate,
Balls.
chocolate.
What's your name? Yours? Okay, stand up, please. This table is that place is for you. And this table is that place is for you. Okay, two browns and two orange. Two browns and two orange. Yes, it's okay. Perfect. It's not acceptable for you.
Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate.
Balls. Okay. What's your name? Okay. This table, that place is for you. And this table, that place is for you. Okay. Give me two. parcel game with Ibai, Anne, and Emilio. One applause for them.
Hello, we are Ibai, Annie, and Elise. We are going to play one game, Pass the Puzzle. This is a puzzle. Repeat, please. The puzzle.
Okay, very good. We are past the puzzle of your right, and we sing the chocolate song. Like this. Puzzle. Puzzle. Like this. Okay, I'm going to be like this. And in one moment I say stop, and the person that has the box is going to take off one paper of the puzzle and count to 10. When he or she takes the layer, he's going to do one for
You are ready to start? Chocolate, I like chocolate, chocolate.
Okay, very good. What is your name? Annie. Stand up, please.
Say one paper on the layer and you
Look, it's a forfeit. Read it.
sing the chocolate song.
And now do it.
Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, 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 brown or white. Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, anytime they are right.
Okay, now let's go on.
Chocolate, chocolate, I like chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Good night.
Stand up, please. Look, it's another forfeit. Read it. This one. This. Okay, now let's go on.
Say what, say after one day.
Look. Look, are Smarties. Well done. Smarties for you.
fun game with Kepa, Unas, and Mayal. Give us a
Hello, boys and girls. This is the game with the chocolate restaurant. We have 5 different medallions. The first one is the chocolate bar. Repeat, please. Chocolate bar. The second one is drinking chocolate.
drinking chocolate.
The next one is the chocolate biscuit.
Chocolate biscuit.
The next one is the chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake.
And the last one is chocolate ice cream. Repeat with me.
Chocolate ice cream.
Now we are going to give you the medallions and memorize the name of the medallion. This is chocolate. This one chocolate. I am the train rider. We are going to do a train and when say the name of your medallion, you are join the train. Chocolate ice cream, chocolate ice cream, chocolate ice cream, chocolate ice cream, chocolate ice cream. Chocolate cake. Chocolate bar, chocolate bar, chocolate bar. Chocolate bar. Chocolate biscuit, chocolate biscuit, chocolate biscuit. Okay, now listen to me. Everybody is on the train. When you hear the name of your medallion, come and sit on the chairs. So let's play. Chocolate biscuit, chocolate biscuit, chocolate biscuit. Oh, I'm sorry, Brian. Very good. This is not this for you, and this is not this for you. And see the next one. Chocolate, chocolate,
Very good. Now we'll get the participation are going to begin, and that is the rap invitation.
Chocolate Invitation, karaoke version.
Class number 1 is your invitation. Come have a chocolate celebration. Don't be shy, don't hesitate. Bring your invitation and don't be late.
chocolate.
Are you ready to eat chocolate?